In this tutorial, you will learn how to create APA-style student paper title page, and I will follow the guidelines of APA 7th edition. I am Dr. Tahir Mahmood and you are watching Teaching Junction channel. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Before starting this tutorial, I will remove this existing data. Now go to layout option and select your margin 1 inch on all four sides, top, bottom, left, right, 1 inch. Select this one. Now go to insert option and insert page number according to APA 7th guidelines, which are go to page number. You will find the option of top of page, and from here you will select plan number 3. Page number should appear on this side. Next, place your cursor here, and from here in paragraph section, click on this down arrow key, and from here line spacing should be double, and additionally I will check this option, don't add space between paragraph of same style. Then click on OK. Additionally, I will also select font size, which is Time New Roman 12. That's fine. If you want to select another font size that are given here, you can select either one from these, such as 11 point Calibri, 11 point Arial, or any other style which are given according to APA 7 guidelines. Firstly, I will enter four time, press 4 time, enter 1, 2, 3, 4, select center and bold, write your title. Effect of storage on vitamin retention. Now press enter, again press enter, and deselect this bold option and write your name. If there is a single author, then you can write this one, and if there are double author and second author, if there are three author, then put comma here and write third author name. In this example, I will choose one name, so I will delete other two names. After writing your name, press enter and mention your department and university. Put comma and mention name of university. Then again press enter and provide the information about your course title and course code. Write course code, put colon, write course title, After that, mention the name of instructor and after that press enter and mention the due date according to this format, October 12, comma and mention year. Now again press enter and go to insert section and insert page break. Now you can start other section according to your requirements, and you have successfully created the title page according to APS 7th guidelines. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.